In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Sondo AI app. So with this app, you are going to create AI audios and also music videos too as well, or videos with the app. Simple and easy. So this is how the apps looks like. You can download it on Google Play Store or App Store. After that, you log in with your Gmail account. This is how it looks like. Very simple. You can see some hot music here. I'm not going to play it because of copyright. Maybe the person has uploaded it on YouTube. It's going to give me copyright. So this is how the interface looks like. It's nothing complicated. Let me show you guys how to use it. So now let's try tap on the video here, and here you can create a video. So you can upload the music. If the music is from the AI here, you can upload it from this section. Tap on the upload to do that. You can see you can add photos from your mobile phone's gallery, the images you want it to appear in the video. You describe, you can see, please describe your desired emotions, plots, visuals, and all that. You put all of them here. You can add a style, you can optimize it, and then you can give it a title. This has been closed. I opened it myself. So the options, you can open it, give it a title, a name, and the video preference. You can see 916 is, I'm not sure, that one is for short, but then standard is also for a longer video like the video you're watching on YouTube. And you can turn on subtitles in the video you're trying to generate, and then watermarks too as well. You have only 10 credits to do that. I just created this account for tutorials. Now let's move to the next feature, which is music. So tap on the music at the bottom too as well. And on here too, you'll be allowed to create music. Good. So you can see here. So what you're going to do is just like every AI music generator, you just generate your music lyrics on any sort of AI, bring it here. You can turn on instrumentals or something like that. It's up to you. You can make it simple or custom. It's up to you. You add the styles here. If you want it to be hip hop, you see where I'm scrolling, rock, Afrobeat, and all that. And then the options too. If you want the vocalist to be a male or female, you can select it from here too as well. Give your song a title, tap on the generate, and you create it. So after this, you'll be having to pay or upgrade before you can create any music, because after that, using this, you have to upgrade to the Pro. So to upgrade to the Pro, you can see your top right corner of your screen after my picture. You see a Pro there. And when you generate your music will appear here on this list. See bottom right corner of your screen, you see that side 6 selected. That's where your music is going to appear. And now let's tap on our profile here. And you can see I have 10 cards here. You can refer your friends. I don't use this app though, but you can refer your friends. So you can just tap on referral and you get some access to some of these diamonds, and you can use it to generate your stuff. You can move to your settings here to log out, delete your account, or unsubscribe if you subscribed or something like that. And activation code too is here. If you've given some, you can enter it here to activate your account and start using the Pro. Very simple. If you are new here and you have any question about Sondo AI, how to create a video or generate your music, you can just let me know. And then the referral code too, if you want some, you can search online to see whether you can get some too as well. So that's it for the video. Peace.